Hey there, thanks for watching my BrowseMe review by Branson Tay, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This BrowseMe review is based on my honest opinion of actually purchasing this product and logging into the dashboard myself. I'm going to take you with me as we research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what BrowseMe promises us. This is the world's first system that pays them to use the internet. Exposed $374 billion loophole. Pays them $265 per hour just to browse websites like YouTube and Facebook. On the right, there's big bold claims. And I usually like to take a look at the testimonials. As I scrolled through these testimonials, they started looking pretty familiar to me. And I realized that Branson Tay put out a product in September called BrowseMe. And if we look at the testimonials first, not only are the earnings the exact same, but the words are the exact same too. So all they did was change the product name in here and put a red border around this. It's the same for all of these testimonials. They're all exactly the same with just the name changed. And here's Ronald, and here's Ronald the same as well. So obviously I scrolled back up to the top of BrowseMe, and this is also the world's first system. And the sales page, the only thing they changed were the colors. A couple of the sentences are just a little bit different, but they couldn't even be bothered to change the sales page from a product that they have previously released. If we take a look at Branson Tay on Muncheye, BrowseMe was released 6 months ago in September 2021. You can see on March 1st they are releasing BrowseMe. This was the welcome page when we purchased the product. As you see, the first half is an upsell. You scroll down a little bit further and your access to the account is hidden here. There is some bonuses, and then we will go over some of the upgrades a little bit later. Here we are in the BrowseMe dashboard. First thing we always want to do is check out our training. BrowseMe has 7 videos with a total of 20 minutes of training for this product. This does go through button by button and tells you what each button does, but as usual, it doesn't put these pieces together to explain anything. So after watching the training, the first thing you want to do is come in and browse an offer. Here they're giving you JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. With JVZoo and Warrior Plus, there is often a wait for affiliate approval, so you wouldn't be able to get this started anytime soon. If you want to try a platform that has no wait for affiliate approval, you would try ClickBank. And if we look at that here, the only thing they give us is the name, the date, a little bit of detail, and then you can either look at the sales page or grab the deal. If we look at this particular product and we check out the sales page, this sales page is like any other. It's going to have big bold claims on it, whether they're true or not, because they want you to purchase this product. If we actually go to ClickBank and do a search for that product, looking it up on the dashboard it's actually sold on will typically give you more information than just the sales page. This particular product has affiliate tools, it's got upsells, it's got physical products, recurring commissions, a one-time commission, and it's an English product. You also get information about statistics, the conversion, the gravity. All of that is more information you need to know about the product you choose to promote. For ClickBank, these particular icons are shown over here on the left for you to be able to know what they mean. And if you have an affiliate tools page, a lot of times it'll give you the copy and the information you need to build your pages. So I don't feel like being able to grab the deal and look at this sales page from here is going to give you enough information about the product you want to promote. There is also another platform with products that you rarely have a wait for affiliate approval, and that is Digistore24. If you're interested in that, click on the cards linked throughout this video to learn more. Once you do pick out a product and you get your affiliate link to promote it, they want you to build pages around it. They are giving you the Browse Media section and the Browse Content section for you to be able to search either video or images in the media section. You would be able to enter a keyword and pull up a graphic for the page you're going to build. Now, after looking at this, I happen to know that if you go to pixabay.com and type in money and pull it up by videos, these are the exact same videos that are being pulled up in BrowseMe. Now, Pixabay.com is free. You don't need BrowseMe to come in here and get these videos or these images. Browse content is similar. If we search that section, we'll type in affiliate marketing as our keyword. It will return several different articles. And if we take a look at this one, I want to see how original this is. So we're just going to copy and paste this into a plagiarism detector. So now I've got the information in here and we'll check for plagiarism. This article is 85% plagiarized, and if we take a look at it, looks like they've just pieced this together from different sentences from all different sources. So this is not original, and you'll need to go in here and adjust this for your product and for what you want to say. Looking at this, it's really long, and you may be able to get a quarter of this into your landing page, and you don't need much more than that for a sale. Honestly, the amount of time it would take you to go through here and rewrite this, you can write one on your own. So if you've decided to get media or content, once you have that and your affiliate link for your offer, you would go to Browse Pages. They give you all of these different page options to build, but they don't tell you why you would need them or what they would be for. As usual, there's no training. I am going to go over that a little bit later, so stick with me. If we chose to make a landing page, I have seen these templates before in his previous products and some other vendors' previous products. If we choose one, you're supposed to be able to come in here and update this. If we look at this image, I have tried to change this several times and I cannot get it to change. I found an image I wanted to upload, and every time I click upload, it does not work. A common glitch with these products is that you are going to have to go into your Google settings and allow pop-ups for you to be able to download these to your computer. I have already done 3. We'll take a look at one more page. Let's take a look at the opt-in. Again, I have seen these templates before. If we take a look at this particular opt-in and try to view it on a mobile, it will actually cut off where you're supposed to enter your email address. So this is not formatted for mobile if that's what you're planning on doing. I'm still having the same problems with updating a logo on this page. You can see I've got another link in there. We'll upload, and it will not allow me to change that. Once you've made your pages, they will live down here in reports. And if we take a look at the pages that I've made, this was the opt-in page that I made. I did make some adjustments, but I was not able to update that logo. This was the landing page that I made. I was able to update some of the text, but again, not the logo, so I cannot brand this for my business. And I did go ahead and make a thank you page where I tried to add an image, and it would not take that image either. So this page builder in here is super glitchy, like it is with most of Branson Tay's products, because it is the same page builder. Now, this has also got the same glitches that it had back in September. So they have not updated this or tried to fix this product, even though they have relaunched it. Also, if we look at our URL here, this is branded for BrowseMe. This is not branded for your business, and you do not own this. If BrowseMe goes down for some reason, you cannot troubleshoot these or try to get these back up and running so that you can make money off of them. So once you've made these pages, what are you supposed to do with them? Next, we'll go to Browse Websites, and they give you the option to import your Facebook account or your YouTube account. I haven't been able to connect my YouTube account. Every time I click it, it goes straight back into landing pages. We'll try it again. So YouTube doesn't work. I don't know if that's just because we bought the front end or if it's available in an upsell. It doesn't say anything about that, and we'll talk about the upsells later. They also give you an option to connect your Facebook, which means you would be sending this to your current existing social media lists and groups on Facebook. Who is on your Facebook account right now? Is it your friends and family that you share funny things with and keep up with each other in life? Or is it people that know you do affiliate marketing? They want your product recommendations and they want to buy from you. Because if it is not people that know you do affiliate marketing and want your product recommendations, you will not make any sales with BrowseMe. They give you the option to make a post, which you can do within your Facebook already. You don't need BrowseMe for this. They also give you the option to automate your comments and replies. As an affiliate marketer, your comments and your replies are gold. You know what your customers are thinking. You know what questions they're asking. You know what products you can sell them. If you don't know what's going on in your comments and your replies, you are losing valuable information. Do not automate your comments and replies. And these are the only 2 options that they give you for traffic or for you to get eyes on these pages so that you can actually make a sale. The last 2 sections are Browse Marketing, where they give you an option to set up an e-com store. If we create store, You would select the page, enter all of the information, and set up your product for sale. However, if you're making a landing page, that can double as your sales page, so you wouldn't need this anyway. And as far as Browse Utilities, this is the stuff he always shoves into his products, never explains, and doesn't tell you why you would need it or what it would do for you. So now that we've been through the whole platform, what is the strategy for BrowseMe? Honestly, it's just a page builder for you to send out to your current existing Facebook account for an affiliate product that you got a link for. They don't give you any training on here on how to do it properly or why you would need to do it. And the page builder, you can't even customize it for your business or what you would like. There are severe glitches in it. There is an alternative way to do this. As an affiliate marketer, at some point you will need an autoresponder. I'm using GetResponse as an example because that's what we use, but you can use anything like Aweber, SendGrid, any kind of autoresponder you do a Google search on and you like, go ahead and give that a try. A lot of them do have free plans that you can try and start with, and they do offer different prices for whether you pay monthly, yearly, or every 2 years. If we take a look at the free plan versus the basic plan, most autoresponders will give you landing page building capabilities. The free plan gives you one, so you can get started, see if you like it, and the basic plan gives you unlimited. It also gives you basic segmentation for your emails. Let me explain to you why that would be important. A basic affiliate page flow, which they don't discuss in BrowseMe, is going to look something like this. You need your traffic. Whether you're getting people from Facebook or YouTube or a blog that you've written, you need eyes on your information. Once you get those eyes, you would send them to an opt-in page to capture their email. This is the opt-in page where you would capture the email. Once you've got their email, whether they buy your product or not, you now have an email for somebody that is interested in the products that you sell or your niche because they've already looked once. Then you would want to start an email sequence with them and possibly sell them on a product later, whether or not they even buy today. After you've received their email, you would go ahead and send them the sales page for the affiliate product you chose to promote. This is the one that I made with BrowseMe. If they purchased from your product, that would be where you make your money. And then you would send them to a thank you for your purchase page, similar to the one I made here. This is what they don't tell you in BrowseMe. And this is how you make money with affiliate marketing. You have to get people to see the product that you're selling so that you can possibly make money. Traffic is going to be necessary for this product. So what are my biggest problems with BrowseMe? First of all, it's the training. The fact that they only give you the option to pick out products based on their sales pages, when if you go into the platform, you can find much more information about the product and whether it's actually useful to your customers. My second problem is the actual page builder, which is what this is for, is super glitchy. I wasn't able to brand it for my own business, and it's been out 6 months, so you would think they would have fixed these glitches by now. My third biggest problem is that the traffic options they're giving you are limited to Facebook right now, and that's going to be your current existing lists on this platform. Let's take a look at the pricing. On the front end, BrowseMe is $17. Upgrade number 1 is unlimited at $47. I don't know if this is where they give you the YouTube option or if that's just broken in this platform. Upgrade number 2 is going to be $297. That's the done for you option. Upgrade number 3 is $97 with the hands-free automation. Upgrade number 4 is the 5 times income multiplier at $47. Upsell number 5 is $167 for limitless traffic. Upsell number 6 is your franchise license at $297, and upgrade number 7 is emergency cash at $67. All total, BrowseMe is going to run you $1,036 for a product that promises you that it's the first of its kind, even though it was put out 6 months ago. They couldn't even be bothered to update the sales page. They just changed the colors in the background. So I'll leave it up to you if you want to waste your time, energy, or money on BrowseMe. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online and put all of these pieces together and get the proper training, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this BrowseMe review answered all of your questions. If you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.